Well, today's video is just a great big heartfelt thank you note. Some of it for Christmas presents, some of it for presents for my darling Dani. I don't do these real often, partly because you all are so generous and you send me so many things, and then I'm afraid if I forget to show you something that somebody sent me, either because I've already used it or because, well, for whatever reason, and I just don't want to ever leave any one of you out because I am so touched by your generosity. Sadly, I don't have time to write each of you individual thank you notes, but please know that it touches my heart. All of the birthday cards I got from all of you, oh my goodness, the well wishes, well, it just warms the cockles of my heart. But I wanted to show you a couple of things, some of which I haven't even opened. And by the way, Stuart, we need to put a link right here to this book. Just looks fabulous. The Artful Way to Plant-Based Cooking. Even if you don't cook, oh my goodness, it is simply, absolutely just a gorgeous, gorgeous book. And I haven't really had time, even though you sent it a while back, I really haven't had time to go through it in its entirety, but it is on my Christmas gift to myself list, where I'm really going to take some private time and I'm going to sit here and just look at it. But I wanted to tell you about it far enough in advance. So if you wanted to order it for a Christmas gift, you could, and we will definitely include a link. It's The Artful Way to Plant-Based Cooking. Oh my goodness. And yes, my friend, you were spot on that this looks like the two of us. So thank you so much for that. Okay, now I'm not sure what's in this box. This is from Kay Leno in Miamisburg, Ohio. And I don't know what this is. So this is going to be a surprise. It's been so busy with Thanksgiving and everything that a lot of these things have just kind of piled up. And I'm somebody that really likes to savor the experience of a gift. I don't want to just open it and then just put it to the side. I really want to be able to experience it. So I'm going to experience this with you all. And then my nemesis is always opening packages, because, and I'm going to be very careful with this. I know some of you are, it's just Stuart. Yeah, Stuart's laughing at me like, oh, Linda, it's more exciting this way. Just no judgment on my box opening skills because it's taped all the way around. And so many of these things, I don't know if some of these gifts or these packages, if they are for me, if they are for Dani. I just don't know. To frame some things, you guys can experience the thrill of opening a gift package right along with me. Oh my word, how dear are these? Let me see it, and I'm always afraid I'm going to miss a note or a card. Look at these framed beauties. This is number one. And by the way, oh, and don't you just love the colors? Aren't those my colors? And that will be beautiful. I'm thinking, I don't know, in my office or in the parlor. And here is the note. Oh, Galeno, look at this. And I'm so glad I opened this. In appreciation for your hospitalities when I came to your door, Kathy Leno. Kathy, thank you. That is so dear. And let me just briefly read her note. These works of art are a thank you for inspiring me on my quest to become a better plant lover and gardener. Never too late, right? She's 75. Thank you. The two pictures are of Galena, Illinois. Both are taken from an iPhone photo I showed you earlier this fall. Well, I will definitely savor this and the card and everything. And like I say, I really just like to take my time to appreciate gifts. So I will do that. Thank you for those. Then here, let's see, this is from, and I'm always nervous to think I'm going to mess up the cards. This is from Kathy Cummings. Your new bundle of joy, they're such a blessing. I thought how special it was to have our first grandchild 20 years ago and wanted to do something special for you. And it's these handmade gifts that just make me want to die because I am not so good about handmade gifts. Look at this quilt. Look at this Santa quilt. Now, some of these will go directly to Dani, but you know, I do need to keep some of these things here at the cottage for Dani. Oh my goodness, look at this one. And I'm sorry, I'm just now getting around to showing this on camera. And this is, oh my goodness, this is adorable. And it's so the colors of Dani's nursery. And look at the little fox and owl. Now, sometimes when you send things for Dani, I don't know whether I should send them to them directly and let them open them. And in some cases, they have to open them and then share them with all of you followers, or if I open them here. But this one came in a gift bag and it wasn't all wrapped up. This is simply adorable. Oh, and it smells good too. It is so dear. And like I say, it is in the colors, that sage green and kind of an apricot color that are the colors of Dani's nursery. And she will adore it. They will adore it. I adore you for doing it. And that is just so kind. And then, I mean, you all have sent me, gosh, note cards that you produce of your original artwork and your photography. You send every card you send me. One card is cuter than the next. This is just a sampling. I have a whole huge stash of them back there. I can't mention every one, but again, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate you. I appreciate your friendship, and I hope you feel that you're a friend of mine, because I feel like it's a mutual exchange and friendship, and I love that. I appreciate your support. I appreciate how you support one another in addition to me. I hope you feel supported by Stuart and myself, because that is what the best of social media is all about, and it is definitely what the holidays are about. And well, I just appreciate all of you. Thank you so much. I'll be back with showing more gifts that some of you have sent. We continue to figure out a way and a platform that we can all share with one another. That's something that we'll put on our resolution list for next year. But again, we don't have a huge we just don't have a lot of employees here. So we just make do as we can. And I bet you guys can appreciate that too. Thank you. Coming up is a really special product that I want to share with you that has such meaning for me on a number of different levels. One, because it represents a new friendship that I made here recently. So make sure, stay tuned. When we come back, you'll see that very special and beautiful, beautiful Christmas gift recommendation. Well, I'm so excited to share this product line with you. This company, OM, O-M, and it may just be pronounced O-M, I'm not really sure, but I'm excited to tell you about it for so many different reasons. But number one, because it is a company of a woman and her husband in New York City who are now friends of mine. I met them through the shop 100 Main in Falls Village, Connecticut. You may recall way back when, in June, when we did a tour of that shop, I was lusting after some of the leather goods there, the wallets and the really beautiful accessories they had. Well, I commented on this to Anita, and interestingly, when we went back for my book signing in November, I met the designer of these fabulous products. Her name is Olympia, and one of the most elegant young women I think I've ever met, and one of the kindest, and a mother with three of the most beautiful children I have ever seen. Granted, now that I'm a grandmother, I'm paying even more attention than I would otherwise. Stuart, let's put some pictures here, because they were simply adorable. And yes, one of them even let me hold her for a while. And okay, I'm digressing from what I want to tell you about, which is the wonderful product line of these leather goods. There's a time for thrifting, And then there's a time for really good quality. And this definitely falls into those categories. This is a gorgeous bag that I just had her send me. It's in ancient bronze. The quality of, well, it's just touchable elegance. The quality of the leather, some of it's imported, some of it is well, just all of the materials are simply exquisite with gorgeous leathers on the outside. And then what I really love on the interior, this beautiful suede lambskin. It's just touchable elegance. And actually this pouch snaps into this bag. So if you're like me and you like to have one larger tote to carry all of your essentials, but then you just want to make a dash in and out of a store, then this gorgeous little clutch, which just feels, oh my goodness, it's just yummy, just feels so wonderful. You can just take this out and it's good looking on its own. But what I also love about all of this is that it's just practical. On the inside, there's card slots, and we'll have to show you some images of the inside. Stuart is nodding his head that he'll take them, but you also get a certificate of authenticity. And actually, Olympia asked me which bag I would like, and I said, you're so stylish, you just pick out what you think I need. And she did. It gives you care instructions when you get it. It's sleek, it's polished, it's elegant, it's tailored, it's modern, it's all of the things that I like in a piece that I think is really, well, it's almost like an heirloom piece that I will use for years and years. The other thing, frankly, that I really love about it is that it's without a logo. It's a logo-less luxury, if you will, because I'm not a girl that likes to wear a lot of logos. And this is just, well, it's gorgeous. It's got a shoulder strap. It came just beautifully packaged. The other thing, and these were the accessories that first caught my eye, were these gorgeous billfolds. And what I love about them is, because I've tested it out, I tried all of my credit cards and things in here. I took them out though, so I could show you that even when you put your contents in there, it is still slim and sleek and not bulky. And I think that's really important, and it elevates it even more. So I really want you all to check out her product line. I just love these kind of very, very personalized designers that make these exquisite goods that are, well, they're enduring and they're just like heirloom quality. So if you are looking for a really exceptional Christmas gift for someone, then please look at these. I am looking actually at these for my daughters-in-law. I probably shouldn't say that on camera because it'll spoil the surprise. But they are just, they're lightweight, they're beautiful. The interiors are just, they'll stand up to, I think, what life has to throw at them. The other thing I love, look at this. This is just one of the kinds of things they took into account. On the bottom, there are not just 4, but there are 5 feet. So if you have to, God forbid, put this down on a bathroom floor or something, then you can avoid all of that yuckiness. I also love this color because I think it's just the perfect neutral that will go with black or brown or gray or, almost anything. So please check this out. So, we really need to support our small businesses, and especially those that put as much heart and soul into the design of their products and into the creation of their products in every way, as Olympia and her husband do with their product line. So check them out. Stuart, let's put a link right here. And by the way, if you've already done a lot of your Christmas shopping or whatever, then keep this in mind for birthdays, and especially, I think also, gosh, for Valentine's Day. That would be wonderful too. So we're going to put a link here. You might want to order yours now. I'm sure you can probably get these things before Christmas. Oh, by the way, the other color swag that I love. Oh my goodness, the red colors in some of their different accessories are just exquisite. So in the comments below, here's my question of the day. In my comments below, tell me which pieces especially appeal to you, and if you might want to put this on a Christmas gift for yourself, because I think that might be a wise thing to do. Sometimes our loved ones need a little bit of guidance. So there you go. Check out the website. Olympia, it was so lovely to meet you. I hope to see you again when I am there next June. And thank you for creating such beautiful, beautiful projects. And thank you for letting me squeeze on your gorgeous children.